Okay guys, last video for the chapter 7 mid-chapter checkpoint. Again, you should have already done this by yourself, and now you're just checking to see how you did. All right, let's move it up so I can see my pen here. Number 17, there are 60 people at the fair waiting in line for a ride. Each car in the ride can hold 10 people. Write an equation that could be used to find the number of cars needed to hold all 60 people. Okay, so this kind of sounds confusing. Okay, so again, whenever you're feeling confused, go back and annotate the clues. What part of the problem do they mean? Okay, so there's 60 people waiting. That would be the total. Each car can hold 10 people. So 10, oops, didn't mean to do that, is how many in each. And I have to find an equation. Equation means like a number sentence that could be used to find the number of cars. So think of a roller coaster car. Think of the World's Fair, the Columbian Exposition that you're reading about, the best of the fair. They had some rides there, didn't they? Right? The Ferris wheel. Okay, so you have a car of the Ferris wheel and everybody gets inside of it. Okay, I think the best of the fair said that 60 people could ride in the Ferris wheel in one car at a time, and there's many cars on the Ferris wheel. I have to reread to see if that number is correct, but I think it was something very large like that. Okay. Oh, this says 60 people were total in line, but I think at the World's Fair, I think all of them could fit into one car, but not in here. This one will only hold 10 people in a car at a time. Okay. Now, usually you could do anything. You could draw a picture to help yourself see this. But right now, they want you to write an equation. So if you want to draw a picture first, you can to help yourself see the equation. Okay. And we're going to be trying to be finding the number of cars. Okay. And we want to be able to get all 60 of those people into cars on the ride. Maybe it's just a regular roller coaster, all the little cars that are in the row. And we want everyone from the 60 people to be able to ride at the same time in different cars. Okay, so how many cars would we need? Right, so again, you could draw that. You could draw 10. And then another 10, and keep going with your 10s until you get to 60, right? I'm actually going to do it in a row here so it does kind of seem like a roller coaster. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens would equal 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And what I could do is just make these into a bar model or a roller coaster car. Right? Okay. So I know my answer is 6 cars here, but now I have to do an equation. So there's a couple different equations you could do here. Okay. The main one that we've learned in this chapter is to take this 60 and divide it by how many in each. And that would give you 6. Okay, so that would be the equation that would be the best answer here. If you decided to kind of use skip counting going forward and use multiplication, you just have to have one special thing you need to show me in your equation. Okay, you have to show me that you were missing the 6, like you didn't already know the 6. So you would do it something like this: 10 times box. Remember how we've had that before? Like you're trying to figure out what goes in this box, but you know that the total has to be 60. So you already knew this and this, and you're trying to find out this. So you put the box to show me this was what you're finding out, okay? And then you can fill 6 into that box. So I knew that that's what you're trying to figure out here, okay? Usually in an equation, if you have it like this, I know that you found out this last part because that's the answer that's left at the end, okay? So you have to have either one of these equations. All right. Number 18, Alyssa has 4 cupcakes. She gives 2 cupcakes to each of her cousins. How many cousins does she have? Okay, you guys can do this one. 4 is the total divided by 2 each. 4 divided by 2 is 2. She has 2 cousins. Okay? How'd you guys do? I have a feeling you had a good try on this mid-chapter checkpoint quiz. There was 2 multi-step problems that you had to do. Actually, maybe just 1 multi-step problem. Yeah. Hopefully you are having an okay time with this chapter so far. If you are having some trouble, if you missed a lot on this quiz when you tried it by yourself, please message me, email me, or have your parents message me on Dojo or message me on Google Classroom so I can help you, okay? I can send you videos, I can answer questions for you. That's what I am here for during the day. I'm still your teacher during the day on weekdays, just like usual. So I am here to help you. Please make sure that you're letting me know if you need any help understanding anything in these chapters, okay? And make sure you're still working hard to learn these things for 3rd grade. I'm proud of all of you who are checking in and watching the videos. Very good job. Continue doing it because it means your brain's getting stronger and becoming very good at multiplication, division, all of your facts that are so important for you before you go to 4th grade. Okay, I miss you, and I'll see you soon.